And here's a few of the latest freaky flashing lights that have been seen all around the world. This is still going on. In fact, I've received videos from yesterday, less than 24 hours ago. Frank out of Leavenworth, Kansas, noticed this as he was driving down the highway. Check it out. Lights flashing as far as he could see on the left-hand side. And he shared some pictures with me of an unusual sky that he noticed a few days before he noticed the mysterious flashing lights, once again in Leavenworth, Kansas. Here I zoomed in on the lights. I was trying to see if they were LED or bulb. I don't think it really matters. Something is definitely interfering with the flow of electricity. It shows up randomly all over the globe. You never know when it's going to show up. And it shows up in a wide variety of light bulbs, light fixtures. Here's the unusual sky that he noticed above Leavenworth just a few days before the lights started acting mysteriously. Coincidence? Very well could be. Video number 2 by Wayne and Yergi out of South Des Moines, Iowa, February 13th, 2025. Are you serious right now? This is what I'm talking about. You never know when or where this is going to show up. Look at these lights dancing in this massive parking lot. What is going on? I've updated the map, as I mentioned earlier. I've got videos now out of Jackson, Mississippi, Columbus, Ohio, Ravenna, Ohio, Pittsburgh, California, Glasgow, Kentucky, Corpus Christi, Texas, Salt Lake City, Utah, Newcastle, Australia, Rock Hill, South Carolina. You're looking at Des Moines, Iowa, that is on the map. Gig Harbor, Washington, Denmark, that you guys are going to see here real soon, Indianapolis, Indiana, Yonkers, New York, Katy, Texas, Grants Pass, Oregon, Whitehall, Pennsylvania, and Allentown, Pennsylvania. 205 locations on the map that I just shared with you guys, and there's several dozen more that I'm still working on. This was a very large event there in South Des Moines, Iowa. And video number 3 by Travis out of Rock Hill, South Carolina, February 10th. Just driving down the road, and for whatever reasons, the street lights just start flashing. This is really bizarre. I've never seen anything like it. I've never had people share flashing lights with me over the years. I mean, I get a lot of different stuff, don't get me wrong. But this is something totally new, and there's something to it. There really is. Something is causing that. Exactly what? I don't know yet, but here's the map over here in the United States, and as I mentioned earlier, I've updated all the locations that I just mentioned. There's exactly 205 on this map, but there's many, many more that I'm still working on. Want to share with you guys a very cool sunset sent in by Ricky Rabb. This is the video format of the fiery orange sky at sunset from just a couple of days ago. And coming over here to the homepage of the website, here's a still image of that fiery orange sky by Ricky.